I'm Peter, Tiller's founder and CEO. I created Tiller because I wanted to help people get on top of their finances. We were at a point in our life where we realized we needed better tools to understand what was going on with our spending and our finances. And I looked around and I realized it was a universal need. We connect all of our customers' banks into their own private spreadsheet. We work with Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets, so we can connect our customers' credit cards, mortgage, 401k, student loan, checking, savings, and we feed all that information, all their transactions, all their balances, into their own spreadsheet.
I still hear those stories every day of people that are just like, this changed my life. I was able to send my kids to college. I was able to move to this other town. I was able to go back to school because I'm using Tiller. And so it's just like so inspiring to be a part of a company that has a mission like that, to just like really and truly help people.
Tiller is for really anybody. Tiller could be for someone that doesn't know how to budget. Tiller could be for someone that's wealthy that needs to organize their finances better.
What I love about Tiller is how personalized it can be.
The flexibility that it allows, my unique circumstances really allows me to manage my finances the way I feel fit.
As I use the product for my personal finances, I am always thinking of new ways to make the product better for myself and other users, and it's a real amazing opportunity to be able to do that.
We get people started with the foundation template, which has helpful tools around tracking and budgeting, and they can see all their information in one place. But we also have a community where our customers have built and shared amazing workflows and templates that address specific riddles around retirement and planning and rental houses and side hustles. And our customers benefit from all of those contributions in the community.
The Tiller community is a forum where our super users come together with some of our newest customers who are trialing to share insights about personal finance, to share templates, to share workflows, to share approaches to basically solving everyday personal finance problems.
Trust is really important, and we work hard to earn our customers' trust. We've built Tiller with the most secure tooling we can to make sure that the data we get from our customers' banks goes into their spreadsheets and is only accessible to them. All the data that comes through Tiller is encrypted, so the team at Tiller doesn't see our customers' transactions and balances. We feed that data into our customers' own private Google Sheets and Microsoft Excel spreadsheets, and that gives our customers control over owning that data and choosing with whom they share that data. And we regularly go through security audits to make sure we're holding up to best practices in our industry.
If you want to get started with Tiller, you can go to our website at tillerhq.com and you can start a free trial. You can connect all your different kinds of institutions, banking, credit cards, investments. You can mix and match Google Sheets and Microsoft Excel. And once you get all your data in that spreadsheet, then you can start customizing it specifically for your unique financial situation, because everyone's financial situation is different.
You should use Tiller. Everybody does.